Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add attributes in WooCommerce products. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow the simple steps. So first, make sure that you are in your admin panel for WordPress or your website. Then we will need just to start manipulating or adding uh, attributes to our products. So simply, either you can find your products page from here, or you can go to the WooCommerce and then you can find your products. So here I'm just going to my products, and as you can see, either I can add new products, etc. But if we want to add attributes to our products or, for example, categories, etc., we need to add them either from here, as you can see, uh, from WooCommerce, and we can go to our products, etc. Or we can simply just go here, and basically we will find categories or attributes or tags. So here I'm just going to attributes, and basically I will need to add an attribute, and basically as you can see I already have my attributes that are here. Sometimes it might be only some plugins that you will need to add to be able to add attributes, and as you can see there are many plugins that you can try. For example, this one for product size charts for WooCommerce, and there is this video gallery and some other like variation swatches for WooCommerce. And as you can see, this one is also for WooCommerce and many other things. So basically now let's go back to our attributes. All we need to do is just to click the name of the attributes. You can give it some ID or slug, etc. And after that, you can start giving the type. Either it will be a color, image, or whatever. So here I have already my uh, attributes, and I have this one that is called brand, color that it has these uh, uh, terms or differences, etc. And then you will need just to save them, and that's it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.